figure 5-46 on page 131. I'm going to go ahead and draw my boundaries. I've got a width of 5 inches and a height of 2 inches, so I'm going to draw my front view first at 5, 2. I'm going to make my 1-inch boundary here at 1, 1. Alright, I've got a depth of 2 inches and a height of 2 inches. I can make my right side boundary. It's going to be at 2, -2. And of course, I've got a depth of 2 inches and a width of 5, so I'm going to type in at -5, 2. I'm also going to need my 45-degree meter line for this problem. We're back to 3-view drawing. So I'm going to draw a 45 degree, and I'm going to make sure it's going to be higher or farther than the top corner of the top view and pass the right edge of the right side view at 45 degrees. Remember, it's got to be 45 degrees. That should be good. Go ahead and delete my 1-inch cube. I'm going to center it. I'm ready to complete the drawing. I'm going to draw the top front view. I'm going to go ahead and explode this. I'm going to offset this line. My bottom cube should be the bottom drawing. The base in the bottom drawing has a height of 1 inch, so I'm going to go ahead and offset a distance of 1. This bottom line. I'm also going to offset the side lines. The top has a width of 3 inches. That means there's 2 inches total, or 1 inch on either side of the top. So I've still got a 1 inch, set my offset layer to, set my offset distance to a 1. And I'm going to offset this line at 1, this line at 1. And I'm going to go ahead and trim away what I don't need. There we go, front view's done. I'm going to project over some lines into the right side view. I'm going to project this line over. It has a depth of 3/4 of an inch. The depth is 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to offset distance of 0.75. My fault, I've got to explode this first. I didn't do that. Alright, now I'm ready to go. Offset a distance of 0.75. This line on the far right side. Now I'm almost done here. I go ahead and trim away. Whoop, well, made a mistake, shouldn't have trimmed that away. Let's do that again. There we go, that's exactly the way it should look. Now I can project my lines up to finish the top view. I'll check this using my meter line. And sometimes you run into that, some of these OSNAPs have priority settings on it, so you got to make sure you get the ones you want drawn here or selected. So I'm going to click that line again. I didn't want the midpoint. I wanted the intersection OSNAP on that meter line, not the midpoint. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to draw a line there and there. And now I can delete this line. Now I can project lines up. Alright, now I can complete the front view. This is where a little visualization comes in. Go ahead. You're not going to need this line or this line. If I can get it. Try that again. Alright, it was one line. And that's it. That's the way your 5-46, the stop, should look like. Make sure you have stop in the description, your name, your date, and a scale of 1 = 1, and your high school. And save it.